Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei GT Watch to a Samsung phone. First, make sure both your Huawei GT Watch and Samsung phone have at least 50% battery life. Next, download the Huawei Health app from either the Samsung Galaxy Store or the Google Play Store. Finally, enable Bluetooth on your Samsung phone through its settings menu. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth connection process. Once the Huawei Health app is installed, open it and tap on the Devices tab located at the bottom of the screen. From there, select Add Device and choose your particular Huawei GT Watch model from the list. Your phone will then search for the watch. When prompted, confirm the pairing request on both your Huawei GT Watch and your Samsung phone to establish the connection. After successful pairing, it's important to grant the Huawei Health app all necessary permissions for full functionality, such as access to notifications and location. Within the app, you can then customize your notification settings to ensure you receive alerts directly on your watch. Don't forget to explore the wide array of watch face options and other personalization features to make your Huawei GT truly yours. If you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both your Huawei GT Watch and Samsung phone often resolves the problem. Also, ensure the Huawei Health app is running in the background and isn't being restricted by battery optimization settings on your phone. Regularly updating your watch's firmware through the app is also vital for maintaining optimal performance and a stable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.